Yes, my country people, I throw a salute. I beg if you don't say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to show area love. Press that subscribe button. Bournemouth 0 and Chelsea 0. And we get Oga Obama, we won't get Chelsea fan, we won't get person make on tell us about how we see this game. Oga Obama, Chelsea don't play 5 games. Out of that 5 games, Chelsea supposed to collect possible 25 points, but Chelsea don't collect only 5. How you see this performance from your team, Oga Obama?
You know, say enough it beat to not die now. So right now, we know say nothing to as in nothing come out. We just dey support Chelsea because we know say na our
So
club.
to you, Chelsea na dead club now.
Now they beat to not die now. Chelsea don't die now. From the scouting of the players and everything, it's so fucked up. The board, the owners, the coach, everything are messed up. But we go still support the club. Oh. Like the way I did now, they take am one game at a time. The one they win, I share them. The one they lose, na so it just be. But the truth be say nothing came out. But we will still support our club now, normal. Whether good or bad, will be Chelsea. But the bottom line be say nothing come out. See where they play now.
So we can ask you about Chelsea attack because one thing when many people complain for last season, I say Chelsea they get chances, they don't know if they convert time. This now yet another game this season again. Chances there where they beg for person to put the ball for the back of the net, but when they see they put the ball for the back of the net. What do you get to talk about this Chelsea attack when we see?
If you check our last 5 games last season, we score more goals than this. I mean, sorry, if you check our first 5 games last season, we score more goals than the first 5 games this season. Very simple. What do you mean? Be say the recruitment bad. The ones where they take out good pass, the ones where come in. And the national truth with that. But just make it clear. Statistically, you know if you compare Hazard and Havertz and Jackson, everybody knows say Havertz good pass Jackson. We know, even you know. Sterling did last season, Sterling did this season. The other position, yes, better pass Palmer. So the recruitment is poor. The ones where go good pass, the ones where come. And national truth, everybody know who they watch myself, they know.
So with what you don't see so far, 5 games, we know say time still plenty, games to play still buckle for ground. What do you get to talk? Where if you predict, what do you they see Chelsea? Where if you predict say this team go finish with what you they see now? Because our people talk say soup will go sweet tomorrow. From today you supposed to know.
You know, say the more they want banga soup in the thick. But this Chelsea, what they see so, we'll settle for 10. We'll settle for 10. The only thing we get, the only hope we get, is say the players they young and they go grow. But the truth be say, not be this season they'll take grow. So we go suffer this season or maybe next. But time will come when they go play, but not be now. So more just support the team. I'll tell the old Chelsea fan, more just support the team. If nothing come out. We just want to try to defend our club. We know the truth and nonsense that they play. So when you see Chelsea fan, they go want the challenge, they talk. Also, I just do. We know the truth.
So I want to ask you about the manager now because I sit down here and watch the game today with all of us when we did here. I hear complaints, some people they complain about the manager here and there. What do you get to talk about the manager?
Last week, I complained about the manager for the formation when he play. This week, he can't play the formation what I want, 4-3-3. The truth be said, the players, they are, no, I'm not saying they're not good enough. They are too young. When you want to play young players, you keep some experienced players around them. But now, now let's Sterling, they are above 25. Sterling and Thiago, the rest are babies. So they are too young. They are not even well experienced. And we go suffer them actually. Go take a while, maybe for front, but not be now. Not be now.
So what do you get to talk about Chelsea injury problems? Because we dey see the number of players where Chelsea get when they injured. Even Moses Caicedo don't go join them. Rhys James, we know say in them cuckoo. The list long. I think about 10 to how many players they injured for Chelsea. What do you get to talk about this injury? Now Chelsea playing style, how you see them?
Not be injury. The team is bad. If the ones where go even come, for all the players where go injured, I feel only pick James and Nkuku. And even James goes to the replace her well. So not be injury self, may they leave all those things. Even if the injury players still come, now still the same thing. The team and the players are not. For example, now with the lose match or with the draw rather, then they press us, or we to press them. So fucked up now.